back to my channel again. My name is Choma Nzenwa. I'm a dietitian and a holistic therapist, so call me Chumi. I'm your diet coach. Today on our Healthy Hour, I'm bringing to you this very special dish I created out of curiosity. It's made of the items that you can easily find in the house, and probably you've used them in different dishes. So I want you to join me to create this delicious meal, very simple meal, and very healthy as well, and which can help you cut down the amount of rice you can have in one pot and in one plate. So please join me if you do not know about this rice, if you haven't done it before, and if you are really curious to do it anyway. I'm sure some of you have been doing it, but I really feel like introducing it to you, because there are some people who do not know about it and would love to know about it. So it's a very delicious meal. It's tasty, it's filling, it really keeps you busy when eating it, and it helps you to cut down calories. So Coca rice, please join me to make this delicious meal.
So first of all, I already had this chicken stock, so I'll be using it to boil down a cup of rice I had already steamed and washed. So I'll use it to cook it down, like to soften to however I want it. So that's what I'm doing right now. So after steaming my rice, like previously parboiling and washing off the dirty water and excess starch, so I put the rice in the chicken stock, stir it together to boil it on fire. So it takes about 15 minutes to cook to the texture I wanted, and that's what happened here. And this is the rice, well cooked, not so soft and not hard either. This is the rice. So for this dish, I have this garlic here, always my favorite. I love to put garlic in my stir fry, so please don't miss it. Here I have these baby carrots. I chopped it into cubes. I don't know how you want yours, but you can do it however you want, how comfortable you feel it can suit you. So this is how I like to chop my carrots in my stir fries. Spring onions is always a yes for me when it comes to this kind of meal. You can use red onions, you can use white onions, whichever one suits you better. They are all good. So long as your meal comes out nice. And I have coconut here. The coconuts are not so hard, neither they're so soft, so you can use any type of coconut you like. And I love to grate them big, or rather chop them, but here I decided to grate them. Usually I chop so that I can get them chunky in the rice, so I decided to grate it here to show you that you can still do it this way. So here is the coconuts, and I have fresh pepper. Never a wrong idea for me. I love fresh pepper in my stir fries. I love fresh pepper, so please use any amount or any kind of pepper you want, but for me fresh pepper is a yes for me. Anytime I'm doing this kind of simple meal, it gives a kind of aroma which I love. And here I have shrimps. I'm spicing it down with fresh garlic, my special chicken spice, cinnamon, and curry powder. I actually love to use shrimps. I'm even tired of chicken, so that's why I'm using shrimps in this one. So sometimes I use chicken in this dish as well. So you can use anything you want, any protein you want. You can even use fish, you can even use beef, any protein you want. So I had to spice it down to get a little taste, like usually for protein, to get the taste down before any other thing. So I added my fresh pepper, a little fresh pepper to it, to give it that peppery taste. So this is the spiced shrimps here, so you can do it however you want it. It doesn't take much. And then here are the items for this queen. The queen dish is called Coca rice. So here are the items. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then putting the shrimps to stir fry it. Shrimps doesn't take time, so just to stir it a little bit to dry and for the spices to enter inside. Then I added my carrots, stirred for like 5 times, then before adding my coconut as well, so for it to all blend in and fry in together. And then I added the remaining garlic. That was the amount for this whole dish. And I just used only 1 cube of knorr. Then my spring onions, stir. So it's all about a stirring process, and so long as all your items are down, then I added the previously steamed rice. Stir it down until all of them blending together to make a delicious meal. This is very nice, very tasty, very friendly as well. Please, you need to try this at home. You have my permission. It's a very nice meal. You can spoil your guests or you can make it next week for your family. Very nice, very nice.